Hello friends, my name is Deepak and I'm going to be your host for today's tax segment of our show. I have a special guest with us today who can help us with our tax questions during this tax time of the year. Sanjiv Gupta. Sanjiv Gupta has practiced tax as chartered accountant in India and has served the San Francisco Bay Area community as CPA for last several years. His tax radio talk show on 1170 AM and 1550 AM are very popular among the Indian community. His office provides strategic accounting, tax, financial, and consulting services to individuals and small businesses. But Sanjiv ji is with us in our studio, so let's welcome him today. Sanjiv ji, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Deepak ji. Today's topic for the day, for the show, will be how to differentiate or how to differentiate between S corporation and LLC. Because I've seen a lot of people incorporate their business, but they are not aware of the pros and cons of S corporation versus LLC. So I just want to bring out a few factors which should be considered generally for those people. So S corporation, LLC, people are aware of the definition of S corporation. Means I just want to repeat that S corporation is a corporation by default, but with a special benefit small business owners. It's a subchapter S of the IRS code under which we have to form this corporation. There's a form 2503 that needs to be filled with the IRS, and then they give the acceptance for the S corporation. So S corporation is a good model for businesses. The reason is it provides the liability protection. It provides tax benefit in terms of transferring the profit from the company to one account, to one personal account, after paying the taxes, of course. And it provides a good area, a good parameter for businesses, for people to take tax advantage if done properly. LLC also is the same vehicle. It provides the same way. It provides the same benefit. But there are certain differences between S corporation and LLCs which I want to bring out in today's talk show. Number one difference is in LLC, it all depends upon the particular state. What benefits the states is levying on the LLC, what merits, what demerits, what fees are levying on the LLCs. For example, if you organize LLC in California, there are LLC fees you have to pay. The LLC fees is determined based on the gross income of the business, whereas in S corporation you have to pay 1.5% tax on the net profit of the business. And as people know, you can control the net profit, but you cannot control the gross income. So you will end up paying in more gross fees as compared to tax on the net profit. So that's one difference. The second difference is the self-employment tax. In case of LLC, you pay a lot of self-employment tax. The reason is whatever profit you make from the LLC, you have to pay the self-employment tax on it, irrespective of whether you run payroll or not. In S corporation, you can run reasonable payroll, but you don't need to run more payroll. That's reasonable payroll. The definition of reasonableness is that you have to whatever is available in the market, like reasonably people can take. Like for example, if you have a profit $100,000, you can run a payroll for $50,000, $16,000. Rest $40,000 you can take a distribution on which you don't have to pay any self-employment tax. That's a great saving on self-employment tax, 15.3% saving on that net difference. So that's one area that S corporation scores over LLC, and that way we can. It's better to look at in totality whether S corporation LLC. But I will say people do look into it. They can contact our office and see whether LLC and S corporation are suited for their businesses.
Well, Sanjiv ji, thank you so much for sharing those great thoughts. Now our viewers know whether they should change S corporation or LLC when they're thinking about setting up a business. So there you go, friends. If you're thinking about starting a new business or considering incorporating your business, you should contact Sanjiv CPA in Fremont. His number at the office is 510-825-7563, or you can visit him online at sanjivcpa.com. But wait, we have something special for you. Before you go, just go ahead and log on to sanjivcpa.com and leave us your comments, and you might just win a Starbucks gift card. So don't forget, log on to sanjivcpa.com, share the link, or write your thoughts, and you might win a nice Starbucks gift card. So friends, we'll see you next week, same time, same place. Till then, goodbye.